Hey everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, today I wanted to share a quick project that I have made with the Pixi Dust Designs dies. Oh my gosh, guys, I am obsessed with Sandra's dies. These are so cute. So I used the Halloween candles and I used every die in here. And what I love about Pixi Dust Designs is that it gives you on the back a picture of what they should look like once they're completed. Of course, we can always alter them and put our own twist on them, but I like that it shows us what it's supposed to look like in the end. So these are so much fun to use. I mean, once you start cutting and you refer back to your picture, you know where everything goes. They are so much fun to work with. But anyway, let me show you what I have made. I have made a box, and inside the box are my candles. But on the outside, of course, you know, I made the box myself. I figured out the dimensions. I used paper that I printed on my printer, and I just, you know, decorated the box a little bit. So as I had previously stated, I didn't want to work with anything too dark this year. I want everything bright and you know, whimsical, I guess. So I had this spider in my stash, this die. So that one is from my stash, and this large ticket looking one was in my stash as well. And then I added some little bling pieces to the corners, and this is my little bat that I've had in my stash for I don't know how many years. This is the Happy Halloween that is in the die set, and I just love that font. Looks so pretty, very Halloweenish. And then this die right here, I believe this one's a Sizzix die or Momenta, one of the two. And that was in my stash. And I just popped it up on some foam to give it a little dimension. So that is the outside of my box. And the box is 5.5 by 4. It's not a very large box. So, you know, I love the fact that we can use our scraps for this. You don't really have to cut into a full piece of paper, sheet of cardstock, because you can use your scraps for these guys. So on the sides I did pull, you know, cut out some notches to where we can pull the box open. And on the inside of my box, and that's what the back looks like, I made sure not put glue to where you can see it through the acetate window, because yeah, I didn't think that would look very pretty. But it's on there very secure. So on the inside of my box, I have my candles, and here are my candles. Guys, these are so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Got a little something on there. I mean, it comes with the little buttons. This is the little Dracula. Comes with the little buttons, the shirt, the collar. It comes with everything that you think you might need for your Count Dracula or all the characters. And then this one is the mummy, and I used some glitter paper for that. And then this is our monster. What do you call this guy? And this is our little green guy. I forgot what his name is, the one with the bolts. I remember the TV series, Herman Munster. Guys, tell me in the comments what this guy's name is, because it's gonna drive me nuts. But anyway, so here are my candles, and I made a box for the candles to fit into, and I just put some shred at the bottom to hold them where I wanted them. So we take the shred out. It does have compartments to divide the two, and I put the mummy in the center because it's the widest one with the you know, the gauze that it has on the side. And so anyway, I made it Sunday night. My daughter had a sleep study on Monday, so it's a sleep deprived sleep study because as many of you know, she has epilepsy, and she's been getting these seizures, but they're not the regular, you know, complex facial seizures that she typically has. These are more of a full body seizure, and we're just not used to those. So I called her doctor, and he ordered a sleep study. I know there's probably too much information, but he ordered a sleep study. So we had to stay up super late Sunday night and get up as early as possible on Monday. That's where the sleep deprivation comes in, and then go do the sleep study. So I mean, I had nothing to do. I had gotten my dies, and I was just so excited to play with them. So anyway, there are the dividers, and after I made them, I realized this one I didn't make the same size as this one, but like I said, it was late. I'm like, it is what it is. So there is the box that I made for my candles. And I just, you know, guys, you know I love my acetate. So I like the way that came out. And then on my candles, guys, what I did was I made, after I made the little characters, I made a box to fit behind each one of the little candles, okay? Each box has its own, each candle has its own box. And I did ink the edges with the primary color of the character, and this one of course was black, so I inked that. This one was white, so I didn't have to ink that. And this guy, I didn't have any green, so I had to mix a couple of colors to make him green. So I made this one green, and he's so cute. I just love these little characters. And guys, when you're done putting your couple of layers on there, they are really sturdy. So I just love that. For the boxes, in this box, this is for our tiny treasures, guys. We like to share our small treasures with our swap partners and whatever. So this, let me get a paper. So this green guy has green sequins in there, okay? So I had thought about just putting just stuff to make a sequin mix. And then I thought, well, no, I'll just go ahead and put different items in there. So, and it closes like that, guys, and it doesn't, honestly, they don't come out. They really don't come out. I did glue the bottom shut because I knew I was going to put small things in there, and I knew one of them was going to have sequins. So I glued the bottom because I didn't want them to come out. But I actually like, green is not my favorite color, and I actually like this guy. And then in my little mummy, if I open my mummy up, I forgot what I put in here, guys. Oh, I put some beads in here, okay? They're gold beads. So this one's filled with gold beads. And again, I mean, you can do, you know, the brads, you can do eyelets, you can do, I wouldn't do glitter, but you can even do, I believe, the Smarties. I believe the Smarties fit in here as well. So you can do the smaller, you know, candies in here. And then for our Dracula, I did, I did some flat back. I didn't have any black beads, so I did some flat back beads on this one. There you go. I guess I could have done sequins like bat sequins or black cats or something like that. I believe I have some of those, but I didn't. I had already used sequins in one of them, so I didn't want to repeat the goodie. But there are my my little candle, Halloween candles. Guys, these are so much fun. I can't wait to play with the rest of the dies that I got. And yeah, so I store my dies in their original packaging. All I do is add a piece of magnet on the back, because you know, these ladies, they are living their best dreams, and I just feel like you know, they deserve the recognition in my craft room. They deserve that recognition. I'm talking about Sandra and Erica. I mean, they're living their dream. You know, they had a dream and they made it possible, and they're living it. So Erica, I also put her dyes the same way. I store them the same way, and then they go back into the plastic that they came in, and then they go in a snap envelope to keep them separate from my other dyes. Yeah, guys, go out, check out Pixie Dust Designs. I'm going to link her shop in the description box so you can see what she has. She's got some really cute dyes. But anyway, guys, that was my project share for the day. I really hope you enjoyed it. And so I really hope you enjoyed my project share, guys. I hope I was in frame. This is, like I said, a new setup for me. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day, guys. Thanks a lot.